Alright guys, so let's go for our first ride in the car. The sun is sort of out today. Let's start it up. Let's see what she has to offer, huh? So let me tell you all about the different modes that you get in the car. Different modes include normal, eco, sports, and individual. Now, in order to save some money for petrol, I am driving in eco mode. Now, there's one thing the car does that is a bit weird. It will stay in eco mode, but if you switch the car off and you switch it back on and you carry on driving, the gearbox will go into normal drive mode. Now if you select it again, which I'm going to do, and I will show you, it goes into eco mode for the gearbox, which then changes gears more often, keeps your revs lower, and obviously helps with fuel economy. That is a little bit irritating. But right now we're in eco mode. The car, it's good. It's comfortable enough, considering the roads we have here in South Africa. The roads are not great, I'll tell you that much. Now I've started recording here, and it's actually not a good time because everybody's coming home from work now. So fantastic. We're gonna get into some traffic, but no stresses and no worries because I drive an automatic. And you know what that means? More comfort, right? And easier to control. Right. Now you're gonna see somebody asking for some money, which I don't have. Now, the unfortunate thing about driving one of these is that you will see for yourself. If you own one, you know you are so scared of potholes, man. So scared of them. Like I was explaining earlier, the roads in South Africa are abysmal. And yesterday, unfortunately, I hit a pothole with a baby. Bent my rim, which is heart sore, but at least I wasn't losing any air out of the tire. So, that being said, be careful, beware guys. If you're on the road with this car, or any car like it, don't hit the potholes, that goes without saying. Unfortunately, some roads are just too bad, and you dodge one, but you hit the other, and that's how it goes. Now, unfortunately, I can't put pedal to the metal because the traffic is a little bit intense. Steering feels very, very active. It's the car feels like it's one with you. You can feel that it's a sports car. It wants to lean into the side, lean into the bends and exit out fast, and the steering is immaculate and so light as well. You can use one hand. Take a look at that. Although I don't really like doing that. If I steer, it's usually here or at the bottom. Now in eco mode, is one thing I realized yesterday is the car won't pick up speed as fast as it would if it was in normal, and especially not in sports. At first I thought these were just modes for the boy racer, to make them feel cool, but they serve purpose, and that was evident to see. Alright, over here, need to do a U-turn. so stressed out here. Just coming up from work. Usually it's not like that though, because it's weekend, so. So right now I'm taking around a bend and I'm still in eco mode. Oh, see, another pothole. You gotta be so careful here. It's a bit sad. Because when you own something like this, you want to put it through its paces and you want to feel it, but sometimes the roads in South Africa just don't let you do that. Even in eco mode, the turbo works. Roads are so bad. Even in eco mode, the car will put you back in your seat. And that's another thing, it's actually quite comfy on a long distance. Maybe a little bit too comfy if you go out too late, or you didn't get enough sleep the night before, because then it becomes difficult for you to concentrate and stay awake, because there's not much you can do. It's effortless. It's really, really, really good. Currently cruising now at 60. Let's see how quick we can. Let's back off a little bit. Get to about 55. Okay, here we go. It still goes. It's in a split second. It will get you where you need to go. If you need to overtake, or in South Africa, if you need to take a quick shot so that the car doesn't hit you when you're taking a turn, it's got all the power you need. So here we go. Let's listen to it. This is in eco mode, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let me change it to sports mode, and you can hear, perhaps you can hear the difference, but here we go. It's a lot deeper. A lot deeper. I want you to know, now I'm angry. This is what you wanted, right? And oh boy, you want it more often than not, until you see your fuel running down. But you can hear now the gearbox. It's a lot more aggressive. It changes down and lets you know, like, let's race. Yes, boss. There we go. There we go. Alright, we have a little bit of a straight here. So maybe I can put it into a sports mode for you, and here we go. It really likes pulling to the corners as well. It just puts a smile on your face. That's all it does. And then you hear the gearbox again. Listen. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh my days. It's angry, this one. Let's go up here. No problems with acceleration. And the amount of fun you can have in it is just immense. Puts a smile on my face every day. Alright folks, that's all for today.